What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer back again, making a short little quick video from one of my army buddies. So he told me to look up a stock, and I never even heard about this stock. Ticker symbol MDB. And as you can see, this is fairly new, honestly. This started at October 16, 2017, but around the price of $29. But it's been running thus since, and it's pretty impressive, honestly. This is a pretty good bullish run. This is a bullish trend, and it hasn't reversed. It hasn't really dropped down at all. Let me see. Even when it does print for red dots, it really doesn't even drop that much. This is around Corona time. Let me see. That's around March right there. So that was his weakest drop, his biggest drop actually, because of the whole pandemic. But dropped down to $100 at that point from a high of 183. So it's thus since recovered nicely since the biggest drop in March 18th. Can't speak, but but yeah, man, this is pretty impressive. Let me see if there's even any buying opportunities, because this thing is a runner. Look at that. These are resistant lines. They already broke through its first resistance. Now it's looking to break through the second resistant. Second resistant line is at $384. So if you get around that level and it breaks through that, this thing is going to keep running for you, man. This is definitely a Team Moon approved stock. This is beautiful. I mean, it's saying it's going to sell off here in the short term. That's just short term, though. You have nothing to worry about, honestly. Let me see, 4 hour. That's a sell off on the 4 hour as well. So yeah, it's probably going to give you a little sell off coming up. It is probably going to go down, because even on the day chart, it already broke through the second resistant lines, because this thing been on a tear. So yeah, it's gonna fall a little bit, because even look at here, the RSI, it's overbought. It's been running. It cracked through the ceiling over here. So there has to be some type of correction, but that's not to say that it's just gonna come down and then not pop off again later on. Because you can see here in prior example, this is back testing. When it broke through a ceiling like this, it broke through a ceiling back here, back in 13th May, and it had to correct, and it corrected, and it came down all the way to this level over here. So let's see what that looks like on the map, on the candle chart. Look at that. So yeah, over here, that run up broke through the ceiling. That's the run up breaking through the ceiling right there around that level. That's the tippity top of the ceiling right there. And it corrected, came down. That was the correction right there. That wasn't that bad of a correction, but it's a correction. So that's exactly what's probably going to happen over here. It's going to correct maybe down to the original resistant line. So, and then probably end up going back up and running again. But there's going to be some kind of correction. But this stock is definitely a runner. It's definitely bullish. It's beautiful, man. Thank you for showing me the stock, honestly. I might have to track this and trade this. All right. Team Moot, I see you.